to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing this grungy look. I don't know why, I just felt doing like a little dark look. I don't know why, but I felt like I hadn't used this palette in a while, or like maybe at all. I haven't used this palette at all in my channel, so I just wanted to go ahead and use it because I feel like it has such good colors. I just don't ever really use them, and today I felt a little depressed. No, I'm just kidding. I just felt a little like using dark colors, so I went ahead and use this palette. If you want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So I am using the colors the Saturn, Obsidian, Throne, Dimension, and Sphere. I'm starting by using Saturn as my transition color. I wanted the color to pop, so I made sure to put a little bit more than like what I usually use. Using Obsidian on my crease, and I am making sure that it's really well blended because it is black and I don't want it to look like a black eye. I am using Throne now, and I'm putting it on my lid with my fingertip. I just feel like it makes the pigment stay since it is a glitter color. Going in with Dimension and putting it in the center of my eye just to create a halo-like effect. For my under eye, I am going in with Saturn and Throne, and I am just making sure to give it a smoky-like effect. My lashes, I am using my Lena Beauty lashes in the style Crystal Glow. For my inner corner, I wanted to give the look a pop, so I used the color Sphere. This video was a bit short, but this is a complete look. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, then don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye guys!